good morning everybody. This is Olivia Co. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the thumbs up sign and the notification bell so you'll be updated on my future videos. Today is December 24 and we don't have work today, so I'm going to do all the housework today. Let's start. I haven't had my breakfast yet, so let's. I was I was doing a lot of things before having breakfast, so now I'm a little bit hungry. So let's go have some breakfast. Before going to have some breakfast, I'm going to bring down the laundry. The laundry bag. The laundry basket. I'm going to bring it down para hindi na ako atin dalhin ang ano ba yan? Yan, ang laundry while going down the stairs. Ayan, kaya naman, kaya. Hindi puno masyado. So, hindi siya masyadong mabigat. Medyo magulo ang bahay, so I have to fix the house then. And I'm hungry right now, so dito ko muna iiwan yun, yung laundry basket. Let's make some. This is my Christmas mug. Yan. My Christmas tree. Okay, let's put some milk. This is my daughter's milk. She doesn't want it anymore. Oat milk. And let's mix it. Cinnamon powder. Ayan. And may coffee na ako. Okay, I put some water. I'm just going to reheat my champurrado. I put some water. Ayan. Let's reheat. Ayan. Kasi ako lang kumakain. Waiting for my champurrado to cook, to reheat, to become hot. I'm going to transfer those from the dishwasher to our lalagyan. Okay? Yan yung dishwasher, yan pa yun aayusin ko. Sige, ayusin na natin. I put my spoon and forks here. Let it dry first because when it comes out from the dishwasher, it is not dry. That's my breakfast, and I had 3 small oranges. Mandarin orange, I think Kit Kat, and then we'll put some milk in my yan. And then we'll halo it. Dito siya aso asiya pa eh. Okay. Let's try this orange. Ano ho jaya anin? Sine bread ba? Ay, ito na aniya sige.
It's chewy. corn dog.
Bread.
Ang pinakulo mo.
Kaya di peppermint dapat.
Hot choco ba niya? Ay, coffee.
Peppermint mocha. Yung whipped cream ka. Kaya whipped cream ka.
Like din ba?
Red thing.
Ano ka boy?
May punjaya fruits na lang. Put our laundries. These are the dark ones. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's put soap. Okay, let's put the soap here and here. That's the soap. And this is the vinegar and and the babango. Ganun lang, konti lang siya. And then, I always put it in the economy. And yan, start na siya. Sige, mag-ikot-ikot ka na dyan. The washing machine is, is starting. So, I'm now going to fold the clothes. I have backlog from folding the clothes. So, these are the clothes. I'll show you. Those are the towels and those are the towels and still some clothes inside. And dalawang planggana na lang kasi yung iba na fold ko na. Yan. Fold ko na. Okay, there's white light there. White light pa rin dyan. So, let's fold clothes. And after folding clothes, I think I have to declutter and fix the living room. Ang kalat-kalat, grabe. I don't know how to fix it. Hindi ako maayos na tao. So, come join me later.